So in this video, we're going to go ahead and find the local max and the local min using our calculators. So we're going to go ahead and, if you notice, let me change the screen here a little bit. We have our example here on the right-hand side. So we're going to go ahead and plug in this equation right here. So don't forget, we want to use the negative button, not the minus button. 2x, our caret raised to the third, minus x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay. Oh, let me go ahead and clear that out. I'm going to go ahead and there we go. Minus x squared plus 5x plus 6. Let me go ahead and just double check this real quick, make sure we got the correct one because I had a little bit of a mistake here. So we have negative 2x cubed minus x squared plus 5x plus 6. I'm going to go ahead and graph this. And what we're going to do is we're going to approximate the local min and the local max to the nearest tenth. So if you look here, this is our local min, right? And if you look here, this is our local max. Okay, so the lowest point, right, for the curve, or the where it turns, is our min, and this is our max. And so we're going to go ahead and use the calculator to calculate these. So if you hit second, calc, we're going to look for a minimum first. So we'll go ahead and select 3, hit enter, and it's asking for the left bound. So I'm going to move the cursor to the left of that point, hit enter. I am then going to move it to the right bound, so move that to the right, hit enter, and guess I'm going to hit enter again. So our local min, rounded to the nearest tenth, is negative 1.1. And the y-coordinate rounded to the nearest tenth is 2.0. Okay, so we had 1.95. The 5 rounds to the 9 to the next whole digit, which would make it a whole number, and so we round it to 2.0. Next, I'm going to find the local max, so I go back to my second calc. I'm going to select max instead of min. Oh, one too many. So I select that, and I want to go ahead and be to the left of that point. Anywhere would suffice as long as I'm to the left, and as long as I'm not, as long as I'm after this other value that we found. So I'm going to move over to the right side, hit enter. Yes, I want to guess. And so then the local max is going to be rounded to the nearest tenth, 0.8, 8.3. Okay, so the local max and the local min are points. So I list both the x and y coordinate, and I'm going to do that for both of them. So if you were to approximate any local max or min, this is a calculator problem. You just whip the calculator out, plug it in, and find both the points.